All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today, I've got a box from the USA, in particular, California. This is a box of Mama Pat's instant noodles. Let's check them out. And here we are. Mama Pat's is a pretty cool story. The guy who runs it, Chef Ron, he has been working on getting his instant noodle product out for a long time and working really hard. And he's a really good guy. He's got some really neat products. Let's look at them. So he's got pack varieties. Here's his chicken fajita flavor, chicken taco flavor, a really unique one, lamb stew flavor, and to round out the set, seafood gumbo flavor. Something he prides himself on is the fact that his products have lower sodium, and what's nice about them is they're low cost. Not only that, now he has cups. They come in the same flavors: seafood gumbo, lamb stew, chicken fajita, and finally chicken taco. So yeah, this is a definite different kind of flavor profile that you don't see. I mean, you can't help but think of domestic instant noodles here in the US and look at these, and these are different. They have different flavors and they have different ingredients. And so definitely something to check out. All right, well, hey, cool. Thank you very much. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.